Hello and welcome to our PKSim online tutorial series. In this first video of our series chapter, Getting Started with PKSim, we will show you which topics are covered. The second video of the series will give you a brief introduction how to install PKSim on a Windows machine, how to personalize the software appearance, and which databases you should link with PKSim for an optimized PBK model development workflow. In the third video, we will show you how you add individuals. Individuals, either humans or animal species, represent the biological system of your PBK model. Besides, you will learn how you change the anatomy and physiology of your individual, how you add or remove enzymes and transporters, and how you scale properties of your template individual. A properly described individual is important to develop a model physiologically as possible. The fourth video explains how you add compounds to your model. Compounds are the molecules which interact with your biological system. You will learn how you add physicochemical properties like the lipophilicity, how you add metabolizing enzymes related to your compound, and how you add the renal clearance process. The uniform incorporation of, on the one hand, physiological parameters in your individual building block, and on the other hand, processes triggered by those parameters in your compound building block, is a crucial step for later describing the compound's pharmacokinetic properly. The fifth video will explain how you add different compound formulations and which formulation types are available in PKSim. Choosing the correct formulation type is important for oral administered drugs, since it describes the release of the drug from the formulation. The sixth video is about adding administration protocols. The administration protocol defines the dose, when, how often, and with which formulation your compound was administered. The seventh video will show you how you add observed values. Observed values are important to compare model prediction with real measurements. Further, they can be used to identify unknown parameter values. The eighth and last video is about how you combine all the previously developed building blocks into one PBK model simulation. Many thanks for watching.